Hi, I'm Doug, Senior Planning Manager and a digital lead at Indeed.com and Texas Media alum. As someone who's worked in the media industry for a decade and a half and now is a digital leader at one of the largest employment resource providers in the world, I know a little bit about the media industry and how it's structured. It would be a vast understatement to say that our industry has undergone drastic shifts over the past 2 decades and that it will continue to do so at an increasing rate. Although these changes provide a ton of new opportunities, they can also make the media industry a confusing space to understand and navigate. That's why I'm here today, to help you better understand the key players in the media industry, what they do, and how they all work together. To start, understand that all key players can be placed into one of 3 bigger categories. These 3 key player buckets are clients, agencies and consultants, and vendor and publisher partners. Let's unpack each of these a little more. Clients are companies that make things that consumers want or need. For example, think about all of the products or services you buy and use to make your life go by each day. From cell phones to toothpaste, to the car you drove to work in, or even the insurance you bought to cover that car, a client makes those products and services available. As a key player group, all clients need to reach people and build communities of consumers around their brands who know about, like, and buy their goods. Sometimes clients want to connect directly with the end users of their products, and sometimes they want to connect with other businesses who purchase their products in what we call B2B, or business-to-business transactions. In order to make all of this possible, many clients hire folks like you in media to help run their outreach communications from inside of their company. But sometimes more help is needed. That's where the second key player group comes in, agencies and consultants. Agencies and consultants act as partners with clients in all their communication and brand building activities. They use their broad and deep marketing expertise and large variety of resources to help clients set and reach their marketing goals. Media agencies and consultants provide clients help with better understanding their brand's market position, their competitors, their consumers, and how to best connect with their communities to strengthen the brand. They identify market opportunities and often act as the manager of a brand's in-market activities via online, offline, and experiential media channels. Agencies working in the media space also provide all brand success measures and optimize all brand activities to their fullest potential. But agencies also need help in this process because they need many resources along the road. This is where the last key player group comes in, vendors and publisher partners. Vendors and publisher partners can be the hardest group to describe and understand because there are so many different types of companies in this bucket. Consider all the data that's needed to be successful in media today. Much of that data can be collected directly by clients and their agencies, but often these folks need to work with other data providers for more cost-effective ways to understand the market using information they can purchase. The already huge and growing number of secondary data providers that we can buy data from are examples of vendors. Or think about your favorite social networking site, podcast, or TV show. These are all examples of publishers who create and distribute great content that allows brands to connect better with their audiences. Essentially, vendors and publisher partners offer the many tools and platforms that both clients and agencies need to do their jobs. So there you have it. Clients, agencies and consultants, and vendors and publishing partners are the 3 large buckets in which all key players in the media space operate. It takes all 3 to make our industry function, and together they are driving media forward into new possibilities. That's it for this Media Moment. Thanks for watching.